today we are back on the bus and we are going to be building the walls of the shower. So finally, after measuring and putting the subfloor down and doing all the exterior stuff, we are getting started on the framing. And that's a good thing. What we're mainly trying to focus on today is getting this shower framed in. In one of the other videos, you saw me marking the floor and measuring out where the shower is going to go. Now we're going to actually start framing the shower. That's the first step to having the shower. The walls in here, they start flat or straight up and down, and then they are angled in this 3 degrees going up from here. The shower needs to be 100% square because of the vinyl backing that we're putting on it, so that we're not making any cuts. It's just going to be straight and waterproof. And what we're going to do to solve that problem is the back wall of the shower needs to come away from the bus itself to be able to do a perfect 90-degree angle straight up and down. And I have a square here to make sure that it is 90 degrees straight up and down. And I have a shim that I cut from a 2x3 here. And then I'm going to cut down another 2x3 that goes here. And then I have another piece that'll go up there that this back stud will mount against right here. And it will also mount against this side right here. So we have the top support and the bottom support in. So I'm going to check one more time that it's perfectly square. And then square with the bus lining up this way. And then we can add the 2 holes here and the 2 holes on top. I cut these 2x3s for the side wall that's going to divide the bedroom and the shower wall. And I just lined it up with the floor, and I lined it up with the bottom of these cross beams up here. And now what I need to do is support it against the ceiling, these cross beams, and then this back stud right here. So I made a few of these kind of wedges that I'm going to put there, and other boards that will give it the proper distance away from the wall so that everything's 100% square. This will be the other wall over here. Okay, so that's we gotta cut some of it off. The reason this is off-centered a little bit is because right in the center will be the knob for the hot cold water to turn the shower on. We're gonna put some cross beams here to stabilize the whole thing when it's up like this, but that's the main reason, is so that we have the center for the knob to turn the shower on and off. Yeah, so I'll secure this one, and then we will have a 3-walled shower. And not putting a wall here because we're gonna have the glass shower door that we got for free on Facebook Marketplace. So the walls are up. We finally got this one up. This is a little more of a challenge because we have down below the wheel well that we have to kind of go over. But plywood will come up along the side of it, on the back, and this wall as well. And then we'll put the vinyl waterproof mat around the whole thing, and then the bottom will be tile. And what I mean by vinyl for the walls in the shower is, if you ever been to Home Depot or Lowe's, they have those big rolls of carpet. And they also have them in vinyl flooring. And what my idea is to get one that matches the theme of the bus and put it on the walls in the shower here. That's just one of the things I'm gonna have to decide on after I kind of theme the whole bus. But that's in the future, and right now we're just focused on the framing. So the framing of the shower is done, which is the primary focus for right now. I do not have any more 2x3s or 2x4s to finish the framing. So I'm gonna pick them up, and in the next video we're gonna start framing the bathroom where the washer dryer, and then we're gonna move our way to the front of the bus where the couch is going to be. With that said, I appreciate you guys watching, and see you next video.